In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, a non-profit organization aims to improve the standard of living for families living in the Riverton community. Here's Kalisha Williams.
Living in an inner city, person don't expect you to make the best of things, or they don't expect you to come out to anything that's good or anything like that.
A common saying in Jamaica, and students living in the Riverton community in St. Andrew believed it. Growing up seeing their parents struggle, missing school because of financial challenges, life has not been easy. Their hopes and dreams also impacted by their living situation, which for many got worse since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic.
I live in a household where my mom alone works. And there were some days where my mom wouldn't be able to give me as much as needed. So I would have to maybe not eat lunch that day and just use that for transportation fees.
Sometimes I would go to school, I wouldn't have lunch money. Some sorts would have lunch. Sometimes I would have to be borrowing my classmates' books and so forth.
When the pandemic had came in, a lot of persons lost their jobs, including my family. So things got really hard.
Until help came in the form of the International Samaritan.
I am a single parent, you understand me? So for me, it was a great struggle until these people come on board.
Sometimes, more of them go to school, I don't have the first lunch money. When I'm back to school time now, I have to think where the school fee I come from, where the uniform money I come from, where the books. And them provide all of that.
The foundation aims to assist families living in and around garbage dump communities globally. In Jamaica, they have started with scholarships for 75 students and monthly care packages for their families.
My university experience has improved too, since I'm not worrying about tuition or late fee or anything concerning that.
It has really changed my life. It helped me with school needs, food, book supplies, and even gave my car money on it.
It means like the world to me. It is a blessing because I was not expecting this. Living in this community, I would not expect so much help.
Country Director Sandrina Davis believes with local support, more students can benefit.
That little 75 is a small fraction of the number of children in Riverton that need help. And I use this example all the time when I speak. We may not be able to fix everything with adults, but if we can make the changes with the next generation, then the idea and the dream of Jamaica being the place of choice to live, work, raise families, and do business can be fully realized.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kalisha Williams.